Welcome little learners, welcome to Ritika's class. I Ritika welcome you all to the English class. In our last English class we have learnt about verbs. Today we will see about verb tense. Let us start and understand that a verb not only tells us about an action but it also tells us about the time of the action. Let us understand it with the examples. We play with white rabbits. We played with the monkeys. In the first sentence, the verb play tells us that the action is taking place now or in the present. In the second sentence, the verb played tells us that the action already took place in the past. Let us understand about some rules how to change verbs in present tense. Let us begin. The present tense of a verb tells us that the action is taking place now or at present. For example, I dance well. He sings sweetly. Tinku rides a race car. In the above examples, the verbs study, sings and rides show an action which is taking place now. Therefore, they are in the present tense. So, whenever a verb is used with I, you, we, they or plural nouns, we do not add anything to it. For example, I hop in the evening. We go to school. You come to my house. Here, the verbs hop, go, come are used as it is. Means we have not added anything to them. And in present tense, whenever we use the verb with he, she, it or a singular noun, we add s or es to it. For example, she looks tired. Ravi brushes daily. It looks pretty. The fish swims in the sea. Here you can see that verbs looks, brushes, looks, swims, they all have s or es with them. The next rule for using verbs with singular noun or he, she, it in present tense is if a verb ends with y, we drop final y and add ies in present tense when we use it with he, she, it or a singular noun. For example, he tries very hard. He cries for chocolate. Here, the verbs try and cry were having y at the end, which we have dropped and added ies to them. We can summarize our learning here with point number 1. We do not add anything to the verb whenever is used with I, you, we, they or plural nouns. For example, I play cricket, you go to school, we eat lunch in the school, they walk in the garden, birds fly in the sky. Here we have not added anything to the verb play, go, eat, walk and fly. And on the other hand, we have added s, es or ies to the verbs when they are used with he, she, it or singular nouns in the present tense. For example, he plays cricket. She goes to school. It flies in the sky. Ramu walks in the garden. Rima eats lunch in the school. Here we have added s, es and ies to the verbs like plays, goes, flies, walks, eats, etc. With this, we will end our lesson here. I hope you have understood the concept of using verbs with various nouns in present tense. Hope this video have helped you. Thank you and bye bye.